Pride ourselves that our product is very durable and can withstand quite a lot of abuse. We're about to find out today if that's true. So we got a bunch of different rocks up here. We're gonna throw them up the roof and see how well they do.
It's fine.
Just waterfall in 3, 2, 1. I think if that landed on its front, it would have been completely fine. P1 doesn't affect the integrity of the rock at all. Our little experiment was fairly successful, I would say. So these little rocks suffered no damage whatsoever. No cracks in the foam, no scuffs in the outer skin, completely unharmed. This heavier one did get a crack in the foam, and still really minor damage for considering how heavy it is. It didn't come through to the front at all. I'm quite impressed with that one. I honestly wasn't expecting that. This bigger one though, did suffer some damage, a crack through to the front. I think the way it landed really caused it to do that. If it had landed on the front, it would have been unharmed, I think. But all the weight pushed on the back and it gave way. Still though, this is completely repairable. In fact, we'll put it in the booth and go through and fix it. So still quite good considering how big and how far it fell. And if the outside skin had not cracked, this would still be very functional. It would still support my weight and everything. It's just that the outside skin cracked. Hey, can we grab that K4 that I just broke? Bring it here and we want to fix it. So as you can see, pretty durable product from our little test that we did. Just don't throw it off a building and I think you'll be fine. But if something was to happen, pretty easily fixed. We do have our touch-up kits online that we do sell for like minor issues. But for the most part, I don't think you'll have to go through what we went through to fix this up.